Hi guys, I'm Vincent and this is Prosumer Diamond's first video review. Today I have with me the Amora Gem from Better Than Diamond. It's a 2-carat DIF and we're looking at the brightness and contrast under indoor diffuse lighting. I also have it against a red background, so if there was any leakage you'd be able to see that a little bit better. The first stone here is the Amora Gem, and the first thing I notice is that the arrows are very distinct but slightly on the thicker side. The whole stone is crisp, especially the table reflection in the center, and that makes it look more diamond-like than the other simulants I've seen. The light performance I would say is excellent with edge-to-edge light return, and it is giving off a little bit more color than I usually expect under this diffuse lighting, but that's because of the higher dispersion. Next to it, I have a 1-carat DVS Hearts and Arrows diamond. This is my wife's engagement ring, and you can see that the color is predominantly white light return, with noticeably less color being given off. As a whole, I would say that the Amora Gem is a tad brighter than the diamond, but if I had to be critical, the Amora Gem is cut slightly deeper, and this results in less light being returned underneath the table facet. Now, next to this, I have a machine-cut and hand-finished cubic zirconia. You can see under the same lighting here that it is much darker than both the diamond and the Amora Gem. Now, if you focus on the table reflection in the center of the stone, you can also see what I mean by the Amora Gem being crisper than these other diamond simulants. Now, next to this is my mother's engagement ring that I borrowed for this review, and it is a 1.8 carat DIF diamond. Now, I'm only using this to show you the differences in the cutting between the Amora Gem and a diamond of a similar size. The cut grade for this diamond is only a very good from GIA, and it misses the excellent mark because of the large table facet, and so the size of it is comparable to the 2-carat Amora Gem even though it's only 1.8 carats. And the contrast pattern is also a little bit more unique, and some people do prefer this, but if you're looking for the top of the line in cut quality, then it's really about the hearts and arrows. So now I'm going to go ahead and switch over to LED spotlighting. I'm going to start again with the Amora Gem. I'm going to rock it back and forth so you can see this fire and sparkle scintillation. The amount of fire that the Amora Gem gives off is very impressive, but the type of fire is very different to that of a diamond. The Amora Gem gives off much more color, and the play of light is also noticeably faster than in a diamond. However, because the facets are lit up more often than not, the flashes of the color do seem to linger a little bit longer in the Amora Gem than in a diamond. You can compare this to the DVS1, and you can see that the diamond gives off more white flashes, and the play of light is more on and off. To me, this makes the flashes in the diamond seem more intense than in the Amora Gem. Now, I'm going to compare it to the cubic zirconia, and what you can see here is that the dark areas under the table facet in diffuse lighting are also the areas where there is a lack of fire in the spotlighting. This dispersion in the cubic zirconia is higher than the diamond, and you can see that it does give off more color than the diamond, but still much less than in the Amora Gem. Now, some people are put off by this disco ball type of fire that cubic zirconia has, and this is mostly because cubic zirconias are cut to enhance pinfire flash. And the fire of the cubic zirconia is very different to the Amora Gem, which gives off these bigger, bolder flashes of fire. Finally, we have the 1.8 carat DIF. Here there's a mix of both pin and bolt fire flash. And this is because of the unique faceting on this diamond. You can see that the size actually makes a huge difference in terms of the fire in the diamond, with noticeably more fire than the 1-carat, even though there isn't much fire coming from the center where there is the large table reflection. You can compare it back to the Amora Gem now, and you can see the difference the higher dispersion and the hearts and arrows faceting makes in the balance of the fire the Amora Gem is giving off. The Hearts and Arrows diamond and the Amora Gem both have this crispness to it that makes me not want to stop looking at them. So if you're looking for a gem that is not a diamond but has similar brightness and more fire than the diamond, then definitely check out the Amora Gem. And if you're interested, you should also go ahead and read the full review, where I take a more in-depth analysis of the Amora Gem. Thank you for watching.